Today I'm going to be showing how to use Rufus with the Windows to Go mode to put Windows 11 on an incompatible system. This also works with other Windows OSs where you can't use the normal installer or have other install compatibility issues. So like if you're using Windows Server 2022 or if the installer won't boot on your system for some other reason. Windows to Go is a way to put Windows on a USB stick so that you can boot the OS from it and get full functionality of Windows. It lets you install programs normally, save files, and it'll boot onto multiple systems and change drivers as needed. Rufus is the easiest way I've seen to make a Windows to Go compatible system. All you need is a drive. It can either be an external USB hard drive or a flash drive of at least 32 gigabytes or more, or a Windows ISO that is Windows 8 or above. One trick I found with Windows to Go is it doesn't only have to be an external drive. You can either take a drive out of an external USB enclosure, put it into an integrated SATA controller, and it'll boot like any other Windows install. There's no limits I've seen for running Windows to Go. Performance is identical to normal Windows. It has all the same features and abilities. All the programs will install and work fine, and drivers install as needed. It's kind of just like an alternate installer. Instead of the normal one, it's Rufus putting all the files directly where they need to go on the drive. And because Windows runs the compatibility checks like Windows 11 checking for a TPM on the installer and not doing normal boot up or later on, this will skip those compatibility checks and let you run on uncompatible systems. One note is I don't recommend running Windows or any software on incompatible hardware, as even though it may work for most uses, it does still expect the full hardware to be there, so there may be bugs and issues down the line that you are not expecting. Now that I've taken a look at how Windows to Go and Rufus works, let's do an example of how to create a bootable Windows to Go drive using Rufus. For this example, I'm going to be using a 80 gigabyte external USB SSD. Now I have Rufus running on my system with the drive attached. I'm first going to click List USB hard drives, as by default it only selects USB flash sticks. Then I'm going to select the USB stick or drive I want it to use, so in this example my 80 gigabyte external SSD. Now I need to select the ISO image I want. So I'm going to select and I'm going to pick my Windows 11 beta drive that I pulled from UUP dump. And then I'm going to change it from a standard Windows installation to a Windows to Go. A standard Windows installation will give you the normal installer to put it on a drive in your system, whereas Windows to Go will kind of work like the installer and just boot straight into a Windows drive. I'm going to select MBT for my partition scheme. This will allow it to work on legacy boot systems and most UEFI systems, but does not support Secure Boot. If you need Secure Boot, you must use GPT. And then I can set the volume label to whatever I'd like. This is just used to list out which drive it is in Windows. I'm going to call it Windows 11 to Go. Then I'm going to click Ready to start it, and it's going to give me a prompt of which edition of Windows I want. I'm going to just select Windows 11 Pro for the basic Windows 11, but it gives me many other options for like Enterprise or Education that I can pick from. My system took about 17 minutes to make the Windows to Go drive. Once the drive is finished being created, I can put it into a system and boot from it. And here's Windows to Go running on an even older system. This system's running off of a first gen Core i3. It's a little bit slow due to its age, but Windows 11 is running fine. I haven't seen any noticeable issues. It automatically connected to the internet and pulled down drivers to get the full resolution on this display. Windows to Go, from all the systems I've seen, is fairly good and kind of a cool method to get Windows 11 on systems that aren't compatible. Or if you're in a situation where you can't use the normal Windows installer, it's a great alternative for those sorts of uses. Thanks for watching this video of how to use Windows to Go to get Windows on an incompatible system or booting it from a USB drive or from a situation where you can't use the normal installer.